We are getting word today that a judge is set to examine whether Trump violated the Constitution. They are stating that we have a federal judge looking at whether Trump violated the Constitution by appointing Matthew Whitaker as the acting attorney general. This is part of a broader lawsuit challenging the Trump administration's restrictions on asylum for immigrants. Now, setting aside established succession practices, the Republican president last month named Whitaker, a Trump loyalist, as the top U.S. law enforcement official after ousting Jeff Sessions. Now, we were wondering who he was going to replace Sessions with. Now we know. The announcement kind of was slid out there quietly. But this judge, Randolph Moss, if he drops this decision, it could have ramifications for immigrants seeking asylum and for Whitaker's tenure at the Justice Department. So they're going to have to wait and see exactly what comes from this. Now, the U.S. Senate is supposed to confirm Trump's permanent nominee for Attorney General, William Barr. So we're going to have to wait and see how that shakes out. But this is one of many different things getting dragged into court. I expect that we're going to continue to see these things until the Trump administration is out of the office. It seems like there is just a constant wanting to go after and attack and dismantle the Trump administration here. And it seems to be by design. Now, of course, lemmings out there won't understand that. But here with this Hegelian dialect, knowing what they do out here to the masses, it looks like they're just trying to go after and tear apart whatever is left here of the Trump administration. Now, you look at this, look at all the people that have been fired. You're fired, you're fired, you're fired. This goes right back in to how everything was ran on The Apprentice. A reality TV show. You're fired, you're fired, you're fired, you're fired. It's all they showed. That's all that has happened in this cabinet, more so than any other administration that we've seen. And to me, they're walking this down an avenue where they're really about to run people against one another. And I think I saw something last night where they said Iowa caucus polls had Joe Biden and Bernie Sanders at the top of the list to run for the Democrats. Are you kidding me? Are you Democrats kidding me? Is that real for any of the Democrats out there that can hear my voice? Is that how y'all are feeling? Creepy Joe Biden, are you serious? Have you not learned anything? Or is that just a sham? Is that just someone that they picked and none of you ever even liked him? Because I got a feeling that that's what it is. Because I can't see how anyone out there would be selecting creepy Joe Biden, the man that wrote 90% of the Patriot Act and a whole lot more, and try to put that man into a position of power in this country. I thought you folks were sick of the one percenters controlling this whole thing. I guess we'll see. This is Killuminati.